how shades of ground
so that you can walk away at the end of the hour with
the
some
image,
appreciation,
how light
hopefully
makes
a nice
it
self-portrait of
emerge,
yourself, or anything that you take a picture of. We'd love to have you come and
how
join
to
us.
create depth, how to create
devices.
richness, how to
And
find
we'll see you soon.
corresponding color. Let's say a particular object you painted is green. You know, what are the corresponding colors? Maybe blue, maybe red, maybe yellow. And this is contingent and conducive on the before and after effect, like the past, present, and future of a particular, let's say, a biodegradable object. Let's say like an apple or a pear. Things that are biodegradable. Things that are biologically degradable, that have a particular color. Past, present, and future, the corresponding color, the relationship to the present state of the actual painting you're drawing has a lot to do. It's like a red pepper. Prior to it was green, and when the red started to deteriorate, it may turn yellow. So you know the corresponding color for, let's say, a red pepper is green and yellow. So these are the two colors you need to take into consideration when you're talking about correspondence. If you decide to incorporate any particular color in a primary image that we tend to illustrate and demonstrate, we need to take green and yellow into consideration. So it's a fascinating phenomenon. Yeah.